I'm gonna show you how to add expenses in Zoho Books. So to get started, you have to open your zoho.com, and then from there you just have to click on books. And then from there you will be redirected to the next page on Zoho Books. And then after that you just have to go on purchases right here beside the left pane. And then when you click purchases right here, you just have to go to click on add expenses. From there you can either add the expenses by clicking the plus button right here, or you can go to the upper right here or in here. So from here, I'm just going to click on create new expenses, and then from there you just have to fill up all the necessary details. So let's just speed it up, and then from there, when you're done fill upping or inputting details on your expenses, you just have to go to click on save and then wait for it. And then from there you have now created your expenses, and then from here you will see all the expenses details from there. You can either delete it, clone it, or you can just remove this one. And that's just it. That's how to add expenses in Zoho Books.